Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 16th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.2 cents, down 6.42% with volume down 24.04%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.9 cents and a low of 12.1. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,250,732,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 21,732,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 309,507 holders, up 44. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 38.13%, number 2 is Gate.io with 13.13%, and number 3 OKX with 11.21%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 205,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.